In this video, we are talking about how to recover a screen snip picture after we clear the notification. First, we are going to take a screen snip. And now we can clear the notification. So now, we press Windows key and V. Now we can see a clipboard appear. From there we can see the screen snip that we took before. If we click on that, it won't open. So now, what we do is, go to Start menu and open Paint. If you didn't copy anything after taking the screen snip, you can simply press Ctrl V or right-click and paste the picture. Otherwise, you can press Windows and V to open the clipboard. And you can click on the picture and you paste it into the Paint. Then save the file. That's all guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.